I'm back again. This is me, Garima. Welcome to my IGTV and also my YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I contour my lips at home so that I can give it an illusion of fuller appearing lips with some quick, easy hacks. Before I start this video, I request you to click on that red icon on my YouTube and also follow me on Instagram, Garima Bhandari Official. And I love you guys. If you are liking my videos, do leave a message in the comments below or DM me what is the other video you would like to watch. Okay, well, so you can see that I have already wiped my lips completely clean and I have nothing on my lips as of now. So first things first I do is scrub it and exfoliate it. You can use honey and sugar as the natural exfoliant, but right now I'm using milk and honey gold from Oriflame. It's a sugar scrub, so pretty much similar, but as I said, I'm just taking this much, like a drop of this product. You can actually scrub your lips using your fingers, or sometimes I actually apply the scrub and then I take the toothbrush and I do these zigzag movements. This instantly peels off the dead skin from your lips, alternating between the finger and toothbrush. And then I'm just taking a wet wipe and wiping it clean. And the lips instantly feel smoother, lighter in color, as you can see. And then I apply a generous helping of Vaseline petroleum jelly. I love how no other, you can see the difference. Instantly my lips appear fuller, the skin is shining after the exfoliation. So it's a must that you exfoliate and include the exfoliation regime for your lips also, other than your face and body. Now I'm gonna apply some foundation to my lips. Very important. I can apply the product directly and just blend it out. Easy peasy. And then what I do is, you can take any lip liner closer to the color of your lips or a darker shade. Now what I'm doing is I'm just following the natural line of my upper lip on the sides. So first let's start from the sides. I'm going to do a closer view near the, and I just followed the natural line, as you can see. And I do the same thing on the lower lip also. And on the side, same thing. Now I left the centermost part of the lower lip and the cupid bow on the upper lip, and then I'm gonna go outer on this area from the natural lip line, like so. I do the same thing. I go a little outside of the natural lip line. So lower lip is already have a tendency to be a little fuller and thicker in volume versus the upper lip. So we have to keep in mind that from the sides you should not go very outward, because it's going to give you that really like a huge lip versus a natural pout lip, and you don't want that. I go here, I go here, and then I just fill this liner in. and then I take my lip color. So right now I'm taking the shade called Commando by Kylie Cosmetics. I really love her lipsticks because they are very velvety, the texture is very smooth and they stay longer. They also matte. I really like matte lipsticks. And then I just blend this color with my lip liner. And if you like, you can add your gloss or leave it like me for it to dry naturally, and there you have it. Quick, fuller lip in under a minute. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.